United by the love for football and driven by passion, the PFR Football Academy has emerged as a prominent platform for nurturing talent not just within the state of Meghalaya but also across the region. Founded in 2018 by a group of visionary individuals, the academy aims to provide specialized training to young aspiring footballers regardless of age and break down barriers that often hinder the development of football skills. The academy has become a source of immense pride, with players expressing deep gratitude for the quality of training and the opportunities it has provided. Many of the academy's trainees have gone on to represent other teams outside the state, showcasing the impact the PFR Football Academy has had on their careers. Academy officials noted the growing recognition and demand for enrollment, particularly due to the high-quality coaching and facilities available. They emphasized that the academy has been instrumental in helping individuals realize their dreams, whether they are beginners or seasoned players looking to improve their skills.
Dengan pace setting, okey. Ibaham ni gila okey. Gila balik side step ke menggilek man kapol gila 1 2 3 gila balik ke bawah ke balik okey. Oh. Sampai okey. Hani hala
Cái trong cái coach ngala ban ong is the best, no? Kila ai lot met bat man sim, kila ai ti lot met bat man sim. Ndai baki hikai tang malumala ndai kila le kumnya ki kon la jong kila le kumnya ki kena la jong ki ba kila shim shisha kata ka jingit klik ka ba mangi ki kimi ki parung is no sarong ban yok kum kimi ki coach. Biasa isin kalala ban yalam ya ki exposure to tour ba pher omtang habar jong ka jala jongi nai wat shabar jong kari jongi ru ka ba ngidang sudap haki benai waladam kata sebutan ka ba kilalek under 11 under 13 but under 15 maka jinlek jongi syati kala sandur kala nang penyok mensim syuk ya ki kena jong kan ka PFR ha ka ba kila nang terang ban mi syuk sabar ban pentebit syuk yang di hakani ka sap ka phong ka bamaki kidon bat ka jingdon jong kani ka PFR ka jingalam jong ki ya ki kena syaki jaka ba pher kala sandur ya ka long briu man briu jong ki ha ka baki kena kila ban like na shibun ki jing sniu ki ba ap thap hakani ka juk hakani ka perthai ka bamanta ki wei pat ki long kemi ba kin thap hakani ka academy nak benta ka jing mentoy jong ki kun ki jongi hi hadin halo
ya wala kai ka PFR do sa ni coronavirus ya dia ngelayo jing debat nak yang ki coaches but mentang ala kham biang man ya kai dia ai play ki coach ki management dia bang ayo ben yesem benta na le ha Reliance Foundation but ki bagi teman sabar buat sabar kari kum teman sabar long kum kalau kata asam bagi dia sabar kari tang habutan long kum ka exposure dua tang tai kelak ai gaji Arab sebut ni apa ki wan ki player ki wan ni penikai ki wan bet ni ka academy ki wan bet ni academy ba kinduk kia sa kia sa perang ba kinduk poi ro sa kathong ka state team dia dan ni ka tu ni dia kum dan ni we na ba la pau ni na PFR dia la di wala kana na ni hiu la pau dia sa scout na ki te ki ba ni ki coaches na ba kum yo la ka sa Hyderabad dia state team dia dan hi we ka tu ma pa dei thu pa dia akan nika East kalau East Kasial District Meghalaya Games dan salah ka bahasa jet Oda Damir Mewan itu
ngalajang ya ka FIFA bang ayo ya ka jing kay tibet lamba ki coach jong kan ni ka tim bang saya ra kay pinyo nga kapalakar siya ngadang join FIFA ini ko abun ki jinguntoy pangajang hakan ka FIFA lang academy ngalayo balakay bun ki ba ki tournament bat ngalayo balakay siya ba jong komunika nilayo ban ka sabutan nakan ka FIFA ba nilayo ruban wan raya ka jinjap Matang bangan yo nakan ka FIFA Football Academy nga ko along ubas pliya bangan yo wan ra na ka FIFA Football Academy bat ya ka jela ba ya ka India na jang iya gue ki perlu bang ko bakin system ya ka sap balay ublay bakin kinam dong ki bat system bat ki bang arsap
ki biar ki kena non join na
The affordable tuition fees and flexible monthly payment options have made the academy accessible to a wide range of students, earning praise from parents for their support and encouragement. The academy leadership also expressed their gratitude for the collaboration with parents who have been instrumental in fostering a thriving football environment for young players, ultimately contributing to the state's sporting success and reputation through the PFR Football Academy.
Go back, yes! Good! Yes! Yeah! Ready? Haju pouring the shoes. Ready? Very good, Rishan. Give it. Come on, very good. Yes, very good. Come on, Valentino.
ya kan ka PFR Football Academy la seng of nam arhajar khatra halor ke jintru jungi bankin piu ya ka grassroots football hapo kani ke jela kani ka nangrim ke jungi kalong ba ngisiam ba katum kani ka juk ka bamanta ladan kam yiki kena kinjo na du ka grassroots level kenang ba nginla bankin piu ya ka kani ke jingla ka hapo kani ke jela hapo kani jungi borokowe habide baka jinjit yaki coach yaki coach nomor ba ningkong perbangi seng ya dan yaki coach ke bang si ni itu itau do tingi khot daki ndai hadian ba menta ba kana ya kisnam ni situ yaki junang kam ni jong ki professional coach tingi iwat ki jingte ban ni hai kum ki coach ko kana academy ya ka session ju kena ka schedule ni saya pembilang ki coaches dibandai in charge la kejung kategori but baja ka schedule ni base kat kum karta jung kena kemut ki under 6 kin practice pra ki under 6 ki under 9 pra kena under 9 but kum ta ter hadu ka senior level kum bolong menta nomor ba klem ka jingsiu ka ke sibun ya ka academy betelun gi kam nomor ba kum ke academy ru kadang kam siu ya ka bai ya ki coaches kan haban siu ya kamadan nomor ka kamadan kadi ke basuai kumolong mentangi bat ikani ki MFA kum juru ya ka multi ground ya ka public school mentangi plan ban wat su sekawai kamadan nomor ka jumbun cu kena teka fee structure nomor ba hapet kat kum ka jumlang jo state ma kum ka kum ka jumpet jungi isamba hakani hapo jela jungi ban simram tham ru kabu jungi subun yaki di family samar kita family sebon ki ba longying bebu biang kita family ki ba wan ka longying ba kamjuna ka junjo ka jungkot te ban kalong balance sang ya baro nakalin juga management itu be sim ruspa ka sibnai nak menta uwe kuna but nak menta tu ki kena ki bawan pat nakalongying ki baduna ka junjo ka jungkot ki badan sisai ka sap ka phang ni ai yaki ka free scholarship kamta kum kita kena de deling ba ka jungi jungki ya ka jungki kun ki habar kiliang Dia halor kan nong rem ngiyo ka good response ban ngiyo ka full support na ki parents sabang ile ya ki kayu bro.
Pasal kau itu apa itu berkata bang tu begini support ina parents dan lu na parents ki ba ha ekikun tentang baki kikna ekikun bandang satu football ki ha hani cuma ki minta ba boni na kikna minta kindong su kita dina kai kelamet ke ba hapang ki raksa kembali kai performance wa saya kata nak kaleng ki bom ki klik pa ki pa ekikun hani bali ki bandang sap tu ki ha tang ma ki exercise ba ini kejirak antara joki kan. Mate hapo jong ke academy ya ki thana anda ngila phya haki age group jong ki baper ngila benta pat ya ki haki R groups ke balong ke advance group but ke pre advance group ya ngi le khna ek ni da ka jingmut ke ban ong ba ngin bo ya ki players ki bakham ibet bagi ba kham dan slam hapo jong ke academy ni bo eki hapo ke advance group but yaki barang kaman thamai baki bangi dang don kampat yaki bangin kambatai kampnya iki basics pan ibu aka pre advanced group gile khanang kumni khanang bangin yo ban focus lang ya ki bak kham dunaru kaju kapor but yaki di bak khambet nyo ban ben kampeken sa chu khanang bangin yo ban focus lang baro umdai tang yaki babet ban ngin klet no pat iki steng pat